So when we factor a trinomial like this, you always want to start by multiplying the first term by the last term, the coefficient. So we multiply 6 by -3, and we get -18. Now you want to list all the factors of the -18. So you could multiply either -1, +18, +18, -1, 6, -3, 3, -6, 9, -2, or -9 and +2. Then you want to look at which group of numbers is going to add to equal the middle term. So first term times the last term, and then find two of those factors that are going to add up to give us +7. So in this case, it would be 9 and -2. So now we break up the middle term into those two numbers. So we'll draw our brackets. First term, we just put it right down in the bracket. Last term, -3. And then you split up the 7 into those two numbers. So we'll have plus 9x minus 2x. Now you take out a common factor from each one of these brackets. So the greatest common factor that we can take out of here would be 3x. So we remove a 3x from both terms. And we're left with 2x plus 3. Factor a common term out of this bracket, which would be -1. And we're left with positive 2x plus 3. You'll notice that when you factor your brackets, you end up with two that are the same. This is one of our factors, and then you combine the other two terms to get the other factor. So the final answer for this question would be 3x minus 1 is a factor, and 2x plus 3. You can set each of these equal to 0 to solve for x. And when you do that, you end up with x equals to -3/2, and x equals 1/3.